So I chose Darling Downs to work here as a resident, mostly because I just loved it when I was an intern. It's always hard starting out as a doctor, and I feel like the environment that they have both in Toowoomba, but in Toowoomba Hospital more specifically, was just an environment which was really good for learning, really good for my well-being and feeling part of a team and having lots of friends around. And simply just the work environment was really good. I couldn't fault it. You still have the exposure to all the range of specialties and all the range of conditions that mean that you get the most out of your internship. My first year, I was very lucky in terms of the rotations I got, and I got to try out a lot of different things, and I was lucky enough to find my passion, which is something that I may not have had the opportunity to somewhere else. The support around the residents is really good. It's very personal. The medical education unit here are very passionate about learning and making things better for the residents, and so that always helps when you're having a hard day at work, or it's medicine being, the nature of the beast is a difficult profession to go into, but always feeling like you're being supported and being listened to is something that is really important and really helps on a day-to-day basis. I think for me, just broadly, coming and working at Toowoomba Hospital would be just an overall highlight. It's something that I hadn't really considered in the past, but now I've gone through 2 years here. I'm so glad that I made the move and that I got the opportunity to work here, because I think my life could have taken a completely different course if I hadn't, and I'm very glad with how things have gone in Toowoomba. And it's something that I recommend to everyone. I say, have you thought about Toowoomba? It's something that lots of people don't consider, and I think it should be considered because it's such a great environment. There's a really good culture amongst the junior doctors, and Toowoomba itself is a really great town to start work in, and the hospital is very nurturing towards junior doctors, and I think that's what you want when you're junior and you're learning. So definitely consider it, and definitely put it number one if you're thinking about it.